Welcome to Easy Trading. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your trading bot after purchasing it from our website, Easy Trading. Whether you're a beginner or already experienced in automated trading, this step-by-step guide will help you get started quickly and correctly. Before we begin with the actual setup, there's one extremely important step. When making your purchase, make sure to enter your TradingView username. All of our bots are invite-only scripts, which means we have to manually give you access. Without your TradingView username, we can't add you and the bot won't appear on your chart. After purchasing any of our bots, you'll receive a confirmation email. In that email, we clearly mention that we need your TradingView username. If you didn't submit it during the order process or anywhere else, please send us an email at eztrading.bots@gmail.com with your username. It's absolutely essential for us to receive this information so we can activate your access and connect you to the private version of the bot. Once we've added you, you'll have access to all the data and receive permission to use it live. So now, let's walk through how to actually set up the bot for live trading. Once the bot has been added to your TradingView account, apply it to the chart. At the top of the screen, click on Alert. In the Alert Setup menu, select the bot name under Condition. Then choose the time frame you want the bot to operate on, for example, 1 hour or 15 minutes. Just keep in mind, the data and performance can vary depending on the time frame. That's why you should check the info of the bot on our website, which shows you exactly which symbol, time frame, and market conditions the bot performs best in. Once your alert conditions are set, the next step is connecting the bot to your broker using webhooks. You'll need a broker that supports webhook-based signal trading. We recommend Bitget, but platforms like Pionex also work. For this example, we'll use Bitget. Start by logging into your Bitget account. In the menu, go to Trading Bots and then click on Future Signal Bot. Click Create Signal to begin. Give your bot a name and optionally a short description. Bitget will now provide you with a webhook URL. Copy this URL. Go back to TradingView and in the notification section of your alert settings, paste the webhook URL into the corresponding field. Important note, to use webhook functionality on TradingView, you'll need at least the essential subscription plan. Next, go back to Bitget and copy the signal message the platform generates. Now return to TradingView and paste that signal message into the message field of your alert. Once that's done, click Create to activate the alert. Now return to Bitget, click Create again, and then Use. Here, you can define more details about your bot's behavior, such as which market it trades, when it should start operating, and what leverage it should use. Keep in mind, on Bitget, your position size must be at least $300, with a minimum margin of $50. If you'd prefer to use a fixed position size, for example, $100, just send us an email. We'll customize the bot script for you so that it matches your trading style. But be aware, not all brokers support fixed position sizes, although Bitget does. Once all your parameters are set, click Create, and that's it. Your bot is now running automatically and executing trades based on real-time market conditions without emotions, without hesitation, and fully based on the strategy you've chosen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, trading strategies, and powerful bots. And if you want to learn how to build your own bot from scratch or see how other strategies perform, check out the next video right here.